Hello everyone, on today's adventure we are exploring the Greenpoint Terminal Market in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more new videos. Alright, let's go! The market features over 100 vendors that includes artisanal goods, local shops, and foods to purchase. As you can see, some precautions that they have taken is one-way direction traffic throughout the market. There are a wide variety of food stalls to check out, including Mexican, Asian, German, and Argentinian food. Today we tried some food at Gaucho Burger Company. At the Greenpoint Terminal Market, there are tables and seats available for you to enjoy your food while also taking in the Manhattan skyline. On this hot day, we bought their strawberry pineapple lemonade and their porchetta sandwich. Both were so delicious. The Greenpoint Terminal Market is open on Saturdays and Sundays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So be sure to check out the stalls, grab some food to eat, and support local businesses.